Good morning, my friends. What up? Hey, we know what time it is, don't we? It's time for that cup of coffee out here. Beautiful early morning. You can see the ocean behind me. Beautiful day. So what can I say? The question I asked this morning is, are you still doing it? No. It isn't what you think I meant. See, do you ever wake up in the morning and feel like, I don't feel like doing it anymore? Whatever it is for you. Maybe it's taking out the garbage or washing the dishes or washing the car or going to the store or cleaning the house or cleaning the garage. What is it for you that you don't feel like doing anymore? You wake up and you think, yeah, I've done that enough in my life. Let's give it to somebody else to do. Hey, call the kids, see if they'll do it, whatever it is. Um, you know, as we get older, we have to be very careful not to give up our freedom. We have to be very careful to be sure that we maintain our self-reliance. I mean, isn't that what you want? You don't want to give up your freedom, do you? You don't want to become dependent on other people to do things for you. And it gets harder. Well, as the joints ache and the arthritis sets in and these things happen, it gets easier to just sit down in the chair and say, my shoulder hurts. And for me, my shoulders do hurt. But I also know this. If I don't keep them moving, they're going to hurt worse. If I don't keep them moving, they're going to stiffen up. If I don't keep working them, it's going to back to haunt me. I've seen this in people. So I guess the message, what I'm thinking about today, is how vitally important it is for us to keep on keeping on as we age, no matter whether we feel like it or not. Winners don't always feel like doing what winners do, but they do it anyhow because, well, that's what winners do. Let me say that again. Winners don't always feel like doing what they do, but they do it anyhow because that's what winners do. Winners do what they don't feel like doing. Winners do what others won't do, but then winners have what others don't have. So, a little bit of moralizing, I suppose, a little preaching, but being careful not to give up any of our self-reliance, to keep it all to ourselves, to keep taking care of ourselves and moving forward, no matter whether or not we feel like it. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Hey, this is Len. You know that. This is Coffee with Len. That's the magnificent Pacific Ocean out there. And I'm happy. Are you happy? Remember, the more happy you are, the more happy the universe can bring you. That's the law of attraction. And be compassion. The world needs a lot more of that right now. We'll talk again tomorrow. You have a wonderful day. Bye for now.